Good day everyone, I'm Orlando Hernale Abiag and I'll be talking about how Asian regionalism contributes to global growth and stability. First, Asian regionalism helps generate productivity gains, new ideas, and healthy competition that boost economic growth and raise income not only within Asia but across the world. When Asian countries cooperate through trade agreements, technology sharing, and investment, they created a more dynamic environment where industries can innovate and improve efficiency. For example, when countries like Japan, South Korea, and Singapore share technology and knowledge with developing nations, it raises the overall productivity level in the region. This collaboration doesn't just benefit Asia, it strengthens global supply chains and make goods more affordable worldwide. Second, Asian regionalism contributes to the efficiency and stability of global financial markets. By strengthening Asian capital markets, we make them safer and more transparent, which help prevent financial crises. A strong regional financial system also ensures that the large pool of Asia saving, especially from countries with growing economic like China, India, and Indonesia, can be used productively. Instead of letting this capital sit unused, regional cooperation allows it to be invested in infrastructure, innovation, and sustainable development projects. This not only benefits Asia, but also support the global financial system by balancing growth and reducing instability. Third, Asian regionalism helps diversify sources of global demand. Right now, much of the world economy relies heavily on major regions like North America and Europe. But when Asia becomes a more unified and economically active region, it adds another strong engine for global demand. This diversification is important because it makes the world economy more stable. If one region faces the downturn, Asia's strong and growing market can help global trade moving. In short, global regionalism doesn't just serve Asia, it helps balance and stabilize the entire world economy, especially during uncertain times. To summarize, Asian regionalism is more than just regional cooperation. It's a global force for progress. It encourages innovation and productivity, strengthens financial markets, and ensures that global demand is well balanced. Through this effort, Asia may not uplift its own people but also contributes to a more resilient and interconnected world. Thank you.